Alright guys, here's the Sony Handycam in action. Here's your player mode. There's currently no cassette tape in the camera at the moment. You just switch over to camera when you want to start recording, and there you go. Zooming in on it, it's got a very excellent zoom feature. It's very detailed. This is a very crisp camera. It's only been taken out of the box to be used once, and yeah, it's practically brand new. And you've got your, let's see, your menu, so you can do all your settings. And when you're ready to record, just go ahead and the nozzle down, and you go to get your cassette tape, your HI-8. And let's see if I remember how to do this. You go ahead and open up the flap, and there's a little eject button, a little blue button right underneath. You just press that, and the entire thing comes up, pops open, and oh, it looks like there is a tape in here. So you just throw everything down in there, slip the tape in, carefully push it in, and it takes care of the rest for you. And there you go, 2003 Sony Hi-8 Handycam.